Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. Zoe here if you're new, and today I'm back with another video and we're gonna get right into it because I'm kind of in a rush, I'm not gonna lie. We're filming a little get ready with me. I have this like concept in my mind that I really wanted to recreate. I made a little mood board and it's really like this really soft, gentle flower aesthetic, but I want the flowers to be in my hair. So we're trying to recreate that today and we're gonna do it ourselves. This is like a self shoot because I didn't have any photographers to like take pictures with. So we're gonna do hair, makeup, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me on like the shooting process. I went to Trader Joe's today and I got some flowers. I'm gonna do a little bit of a purple vibe, I guess. And I'm leaning towards two different looks. I'm leaning towards this one because I kind of just like it. It's simple, but it still kind of gives what it's supposed to give. I'm gonna do one eye off camera because I know I'm gonna be like messing up, and then we'll come back and do the second eye on. Okay, I kind of did it, but let's do this other eye on camera. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I'm missing an eyeshadow, so ignore that. But the shades I'm going in with are B4, B1, and A2 mixed together. And then I'm also gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals palette, shade Ashes, to get like that like more neutral tone in the middle. Let's get it on. So I'm not gonna lie, I am a tad bit nervous, only because I haven't done like eye makeup like with an actual concept on my eyes and I don't know how long. Like I have not done eye makeup, eyeliner, eyeshadow, any of that myself for a hot minute. Okay, we're gonna stop here. It looks crazy, I know, but I feel like I'm gonna do the base of my face and come back to the eyes. So I already primed my face with the Hourglass Cosmetics Airbrush Primer. And then for foundation, I'm gonna be going in with the Makeup by Mario foundation. I want the base of my face to just be like really glowy and light. Like I do want a full beat, obviously, but I still want it to be like light and glowy. So we're definitely going for more of a airbrushed, calm type of vibe. I will say, doing my eyeshadow today has definitely made me like want to start doing it more. I feel like I had a phase where I really wanted to learn how to like do like beat faces and do makeup, and I don't know what really stopped it, but I feel like honestly I'm starting to get bored of my appearance. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like I do the same makeup routine every freaking time. I feel like the reason why I don't is because I always feel like sometimes eyeshadow and stuff like that is like doing too much. But I'm also like, no, I feel like that's the whole point, is to do a lot, you know what I'm saying? Like, because your girl likes to like paint and stuff, and I feel like eyeshadow is very similar to like art, damn near. And it's like, if I already like to do art on paper, why would I then not like to do it on my face? You know what I'm saying? Like, it just makes sense why I should be doing it. So we're gonna get into that. I'm going with the Makeup by Mario in Earthly Pink to add a little bit of a blush undertone. And I kind of like to drag this right up even under my eye because I like that concept where it's like a little bit pink under the eye. I'm going in with the Kosas concealer in the shade 6.2 Neutral. I will say the tape be making it. I'm actually honestly so ready to take these locks out. It's just that time, you know what I'm saying? I'm proud of myself. I kept it in for a month, but I don't really know what to do with my hair next. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I've been like teeter-tottering between going back to black or keeping like that like auburn color that I've been rocking. Comment down below, what should I do? I think the only reason really that I want to go back to black is just because I feel like black, my curly hair when it's black looks like a lot more healthy than when it's like a lighter color. I feel like when it's a lighter color and you have curly hair, your hair just like kind of looks a little bit drier than normal, if that makes sense. And I don't really like that. The One Size setting powder, y'all, if you guys have not tried this setting powder, babe, go get it. So freaking underrated. It be giving you such a filtered look under your eyeballs. Like, hold on. Okay, and then this is the powder. Like, are you kidding? Airbrush. Airbrushed, okay? Okay, I'm gonna let my under eyes set really quickly, and I'm probably gonna apply like my bronzer and stuff off camera, and I'll come back when we're about to do blush. Okay, so I do normally like a lot of blush, but because my eyes are so dramatic, I almost don't want to do too much with the blush, but I am gonna go in with more of like a purpley shade. This is the shade Moon, which is a Benefit Cosmetic. I'm gonna try to like really go light and like build it up. I'm gonna go a little bit closer to like where the line goes, just so that it's more seamless. Don't know how I feel about it, but we're gonna keep going. That's like the theme of this makeup look, is I don't know how to feel about any of it, but we're gonna keep going. All right, time for the jewels. I think I'm really gonna commit to the pink ones, or should I commit to the white ones? Which one do you guys think? I definitely want to put the lilac under my waterline though, so I'm actually gonna do that now. I do like the pink though, so we're gonna go in with the pink. We're gonna lock in with that concept. Okay, so she did like 2 in the front of her brow and 2 towards the back, and then 2 down here. So we're gonna do the same. All right, let's see. Hopefully this glue is strong because I've never used it before. Okay, moment of truth. Okay. Period. 1 on, a million to go. Okay, progress has been made. I added 2 little gems on my eyelashes. But this is what the eye's looking like. I like it. I think it's cute. I like this lip. I don't know, we're just gonna go for it. Y'all, now it is time to put the flowers in my hair. So I'm not gonna lie, I love the look of Baby's Breath flowers, but they smell atrocious. Like, they smell so disgusting. Hey friends, we at the park. Okay, so we're about to put some more flowers in my hair, and then we're gonna get to shooting. Max, how are you feeling? You look like a baddie. Hey, Max is also going to be taking some pictures today. I did bring my mirror, you guys. So we're gonna take some cute, like, aesthetic mirror pictures. I like how Maxine said she was gonna help me put in these flowers, and she's not helping.
Listen, I have alcohol being delivered, and I want to make sure I let them in, so.
Oh girl, not the allergies now. Jesus. Alright you guys, the flower bun is done. Time to shoot. Okay, so here's the ideas that I have. Full headshot, but like off the shoulder like this type shit. So it's just like mainly face and hair, looking real, whatever. I did want to take some pictures holding the rest of the face. So to like doing something like that. The mirror pictures where I'm like looking into the mirror and you're kind of like getting that angle. Do you think it's better if I'm in direct, or do you think it's better if I'm like in like a shaded direct?
I think it's gonna have to be shaded direct.
It's too much.
Just look at me. I can't. You look like you're squinting.
All right, friends, we finished our content. I'm gonna have a whole slideshow because I'm not gonna lie, we kind of ate. This was so fun though. Literally the flowers in the bun with the makeup, get into it on the outside. Let me know if y'all want, damn, I forgot I don't have my wind thing. Let me know if you guys want to see more Get Ready With Me's where I do some dramatic makeup, or like if I should make this a series. Should we make this like a home photo shoot series where we come up with different concepts? Might have to, but yes, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.